Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, in yesterday's class we have seen that example number up to example number 6, and in today's class we will going to see the example number 7 and example number 8, and we will start the exercise 6.3 also. And yesterday I have given that two questions for the homework, that is exercise 6.3, question number 1 and question number 2. Now in this today's class we will discuss the example number 7. See here in example number 7, what is given? A girl of a height 90 centimeter. There is a girl where she is having a height of a 90 centimeter. She is walking away from the base of a lamp post. There is a lamp post. I will consider one lamp post. See here, AB be the lamp post. I will consider the AB as a lamp post. लैम्प पोस्ट एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 1.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एक गर्ल है जो 1.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड से पोल से जा रही है, लाइक दिस फ्रॉम द लैम्प पोस्ट से जा रही है ऐसी गर्ल्स इन दिस वे. नाउ if the lamp post is 3.6 meter above the ground level, that is the height of this lamp post is given as 3.6 meter. Now what we have to find the लेंथ ऑफ अर शैडो आफ्टर 4 सेकेंड. एक गर्ल है, यहां से स्टार्ट कर रही है वॉकिंग. वी विल कंसिडर दिस आफ्टर 4 सेकेंड शी विल रीच द पॉइंट सी. वी विल कंसिडर शी विल रीच द पॉइंट, सपोज दिस इज अ सी. शी विल रीच द पॉइंट सी. हियर आई विल ड्रा वन गर्ल. शी इज अ गर्ल, you can name anything. Okay, she is a girl and BC is a distance she has covered in the 4 सेकेंड. 4 सेकेंड में उसने BC इतना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है. एंड व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द गर्ल? द हाइट ऑफ अ गर्ल is given in the question. See here, what is the height of girl? Height of a girl is 90 centimeter. What is 90 centimeter means? I will write here centimeter only. 90 centimeter, which is equal to 0.9 meter only. Now walking from the base of a lamp post से यहाँ तक आई है in the 4 second. Now what we have to find the length of our shadow after 4 second. 4 second के बाद यहाँ पर आई है वो, यहाँ पर आने के बाद उसका शैडो पड़ता है ना. सपोज लैम्प पोस्ट हियर, ऐसे लाइट आ रहा है, लाइट आने के बाद उसका शैडो जाएगा कहाँ तक जाएगा? हियर, उसका शैडो यहाँ तक आएगा. सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज अ, आई विल मार्क दिस पॉइंट एज अ E. सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज अ E एंड शैडो कहाँ तक आएगा? दिस CE विल बी द शैडो ऑफ अ गर्ल. गर्ल का शैडो क्या होगा? दिस CE विल बी द शैडो ऑफ द गर्ल. नाउ आई विल मार्क दिस पॉइंट एज अ D. दिस CD विल बी द हाइट ऑफ अ girl and AB is the lamp post. You have to remember this. Now see here in a writing, I will write everything whatever I have considered here. Let us consider AB be the lamp post. AB क्या है? AB is a lamp post and lamp post. A girl क्या कर रही है? Girl moves from the lamp post. A girl moves from a lamp post in a 4 second at point D. Sorry, at point C. Point C तक 4 सेकेंड में हो गई है. We have to assume here. And one more thing we have to assume here, that is CE is the shadow of her girl and CE be the shadow of a girl. Now see here, AB is equal to how much? AB we have assumed as a, AB is the lamp post. We have assumed here. What is the height of lamp post? Height of a lamp post. Therefore, height of a lamp post AB is equal to 3.6 meter. Height of a lamp post AB is equal to 3.6 meter. It is a given. Height of a girl is equal to how much? 90 centimeter, which is equal to 0.9 meter. 90 centimeter is nothing but it is a equal to 0.9 meter only. After converting, you will get 0.9 meter. And assume let CE, or you can write like this, let shadow CE be x meter. Let shadow CE be of x meter length. X meter length का shadow है, we have to assume here. Now see here, in a triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, ये वाला बड़ा वाला ट्रायंगल, in triangle ABE and triangle DCE and a triangle DCE and triangle DCE, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल में देखो, एंगल B is equal to एंगल C, एंगल B is equal to एंगल C is equal to 90 degree. Can I write angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree? What is the reason? What is the reason? Because lamp post and girl stands vertical to the ground. You can see here, pole is always vertical to the ground, therefore the angle will become 90 degree. This angle will become 90 degree, and girl is also stands vertically, therefore this angle is also equal to 90 degree. Therefore we got here angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. And in these two triangles, which triangles? Triangle ABE and triangle DCE. Triangle ABE and triangle DCE, ये वाला छोटा वाला triangle and बड़ा वाला triangle. ये दोनों triangle में see one more angle is equal here, that is angle E is equal to angle E. Angle E is equal to angle E. What is the reason? These two are common angles. Angle E is equal to angle E, because in the both the triangle angle E is a common. Therefore, can we say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle DCE by which rule? By AA similar criteria. By AA similar criteria. By AA similar criteria. Because we know that this triple A similar criteria is also known as AA similar criteria. If two angles are equal, then third angle will be ultimately equal by angle sum property of a triangle. Yesterday only we have learned this. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similar criteria. Now, can I write here? See here, AB divided by CD, AB divided by, therefore, AB divided by CD or DC, you can say, AB divided by DC is equal to, AB divided by DC is equal to BE divided by CE. Can I write BE divided by CE? What is the reason? See here, BE divided by CE. Yes, reason is by corresponding part of similar triangle. We know that corresponding part of similar triangles are equal, and here we have assumed that this CE is equal to x meter. We have assumed initially. See here, we have assumed CE be x meter length. CE को x meter length assume किया था, therefore I have written as x meter. Now put all the values here. See what is the value of AB? AB is equal to 3.6 meter. Right here, instead of AB we have to write 3.6 meter. And DC, what is the value of DC? DC here 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter is equal to how much meter? That is 0.9 meter. We will write instead of DC 0.9 meter, which is equal to BE. See here, what is the value of BE? To find the value of BE, BE is nothing but BC plus BE is nothing but, can we write this BC plus CE? Yes, we can write BC plus CE divided by CE. What is the value of CE here? CE is x meter. You can write CE is equal to x meter. And also you can write here, we will write in the next step. Before that, first you have to copy this. Now we will see example number 8. See in example number 8, what is given? In a figure, CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR का CM and RN are the medians. Medians is a median का property क्या है? It will divide the side in the two equal parts. That is, the CM divides the AB in equal parts, that is AM is equal to MB, here QN is equal to NP. Now see what is given here. If a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, here ABC is similar to triangle PQR, it is a given, and what we have to prove? Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, and these two we have to prove here. Let us see. First we will prove first one proof we will prove here. In a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, see here, in these two triangles, in a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR given. Can I write the ratio like this? AB divided by PQ. Don't see here, don't see the figure. You can write directly by this similar criteria. Here given that ABC is similar to triangle PQR is given. From that you can write this AB is similar, AB divided by PQ. AB side correspond to PQ is equal to AB divided by PQ is equal to AC divided by CL. AC divided by PR. Can we write PR? Corresponding sides you will get from the similar criteria, that is AC divided by PR, because vertices A is correspond to vertices P here. Therefore AC divided by PR we got here. And again angle A is equal to, what is the reason for this? Reason is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is a given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is a given. And angle A is equal to, angle A is correspond to which angle? Angle P. Angle P. Angle B is equal to, angle B correspond to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. The reason is same one, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is a CPST. Corresponding part of similar triangles are equal. Now see here, in a triangle we will consider two triangles. In a triangle CMA, which triangle we have to prove here? Triangle AMC. I will write better, I will write like this only. In a triangle AMC is and triangle PNR. Now observe in these two triangles, in a triangle AMC and in a triangle PNR. Can I write angle A is equal to angle P? Angle A is equal to angle P, because it is a proved above. Now mark this as a equation number 1. Better it will mark as a equation number 1. Now see here, we know that can we write this AB is equal to 2 times AM? Therefore AB is also equal to 2 times AM. Can we write AB is equal to 2 times AM? We know that CM is a median, therefore this AM can also be written as AB by 2, or AB can also be written as 2 times AM. AB can be written as 2 times AM, and this PQ can be written as 2 times NP. Can we write 2 times NP? Yes, this PQ can be written as 2 times NP. Why? What is the reason? As CM and RN are medians. As CM and RN are a median. CM and RN median hai, therefore AB is equal to 2 times AM and PQ is equal to 2 times NP. From 1, see here, from 1 में क्या है? AB by PQ. From 1 we can write here, first I will write AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. From 1, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Instead of AB, can I write 2 times AM here? Instead of AB, can I write 2 times AM here? Yes. Instead of AB, you have to write 2 times AM divided by PQ. Instead of PQ also you can write here. PQ what we got? 2 times NP. Right here, instead of PQ, 2 times NP, which is equal to AC by PR. Now these two get cancelled. We will get AM by NP is equal to AC by PR. We got here AM by NP is equal to AC by PR. Mark it as a, before that you have to mark this as a equation number 2. Mark this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. Now see here, in these two triangles, I will write here. In a triangle AMC and in a triangle PNR. ये दोनों triangle में देखो, angle A is equal to angle P we got, and the ratio of the two sides, that is AM by NP is equal to AC by PR. These two ratio of these two sides, that is corresponding sides we got equal, and included angle also equal. Can I write this triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR? Yes. Therefore, triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. By which criteria? By which rule? Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. By which rule? That is SAS, side angle side rule. By SAS, similar criteria. By SAS, similar criteria. This is the first proof. In a first proof, that much only we want here. See here. In a triangle AMC is similar to triangle PQR. We want here, that much we got here. Hence proved. Copy down this. Now see here. What we want in a second proof? In a second proof, we want CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. In a second proof, we want CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. From this, can we write this? CM divided by RN? CM divided by RN is equal to, from this we can write CM divided by RN is equal to AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR. Better mark this as equation number 4. Mark this as equation number 4, and from 4. Reason is from 4. From 4 you can say that CM divided by RN is equal to AC divided by PR, because these are the corresponding part of a similar triangle. Now see here, from 1, what is the equation number 1? From 1, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR is equal to, we got here, AC by PR is equal to, from 1 AC by PR is equal to, can I write AB by PQ? AB by PQ. Mark it as this as equation number 5 and this as equation number 6. Now see here, equation number 5 and 6. Equation number 5 and 6, you can say that AB by PQ is equal to CM by RN, because AC by PR is equal to CM by RN and AC by PR is also equal to AB by PQ. Therefore, can we write CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ? Therefore, CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ from 5 and 6. Hence proved. The second question is also proved here. See here, in a second question what we want? CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ we want. Here we got CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Copy down this. Now we will see proof number 3. In a proof number 3, what we have to prove? Triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. These two we have to prove here. This is similar to the first one also. This is similar to first one, that is triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. ये दोनों same here. We will follow that procedure only. See here, we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because it is a given. See here, it is a given data. Now can I write this AB divided by PQ is equal to AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR? Yes, I can write BC divided by QR. It is a corresponding part of similar triangle. And also angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. It is also corresponding part of similar triangle. Therefore, see here, we know that this CM is a median and RN is also median. Can I write this instead of AB? Can I write 2 times MB? Yes, you have to write here. Instead of AB, write 2 times MB. From This is the equation number 7. After equation number 7, I will write this as equation number 8, and this is the equation number 9. From 8, can I write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR? Now see here, instead of AB, can I write 2 times MB? 2 times MB? Yes, we can write instead of AB, we have to write 2 times MB divided by PQ. PQ means, can I write instead of PQ 2 times NQ? Yes, you have to write 2 times NQ is equal to BC by QR as it is. Now, this what is the reason for this 2 times MB and 2 times NQ? क्यों लिखा आपने AB and PQ की जगह? That reason you have to write as CM and RN are median. CM and RN are median. These two get cancelled. Therefore, MB by NQ is equal to BC by QR. Mark it as a equation number 10. From equation 10 and 9, see here, from equation 10 and 9, ये दोनों equation में से we got here angle B is also equal to angle Q, and the two side ratios and sides included between side included between the angles here, angle, or you can say that angle included between these two sides are equal. Therefore triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. By which rule? Side angle side, because angle included between the two corresponding sides which are having the equal ratios are equal. Therefore, here angle B is equal to angle Q also, and these two side ratios are also equal. Therefore, by SAS similar criteria, hence proved. This much only we want in the proof. See here in a proof third, we want this much only. Triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. Copy down this. Only this much you have to copy. Don't copy this, because this is a previous proof. Copy that much only. Now write down homework. Homework is exercise 6.3. Question number 3, 4 and question number 5. Try to solve at home. If you not get in the tomorrow's class, I will explain this solution of this question number 3, 4, 5. In the tomorrow's class, I will explain. You have to do this homework. Bye students.